I think the technology behind UnTapped is not just kind of a dart getting thrown in the dark. It's actually like, here's what you have shared, what skills you have, what people are looking for those skills, what do you want to build? Here are people who can teach it, and it pairs people so intelligently that you're not just taking a chance on something. I definitely planned using UnTapped again in the future. I was just looking at it this morning to see, now this project is done, what more out there can I build?
My name is Solomon Tesfai. I am the Vice President of Integrated Business Planning for our Americas Business Unit. The reality is this team is new to world for our company. We really needed to find a way to harmonize these teams that were working across separate functions into a centralized team that could really start to break down some of the barriers and some of the silos and the communication gaps we were seeing that were directly affecting our P&L and our bottom line, and that's what IBP became. We really wanted to, not just myself, but those that directly reported to me, really felt like we needed to have something that spoke to who we were. And so a logo that was complementary to our overall company logo, company mission, company values, was really important. So in the journey to identify how we were going to come up with this logo, certainly wasn't going to be me. That's not my expertise. A lot of different areas, both internal and external, that we looked at. Ultimately, UnTapped became something that was directly available to me and really just became the ideal process. There's no better marriage than that, where I'm able to fully and completely speak to the task or the mission that I need, in this case the logo, and then having folks that, again, either have that skill set or have that passion to address it, offering themselves up.
So in the past at Molson Coors, I actually worked in the procurement team, and we did a big refresh redesign, and I made logos for each procurement team so that they could feel represented in what they source. So someone actually in procurement said, hey, there's this new project on UnTapped that I think you could be a really good fit for, and it's great because you've done logo work like this before, but it's a chance to step outside of procurement and get to really interact with a lot more people. 4 days later, I was already in it, and I was meeting with the team and meeting with Solomon to really see what he wanted to do. So it was definitely out of the gate, we were running.
The questions she asked about the team, the vision, the mission, the culture, all of those became a part of her thought process in helping to design a logo that really spoke to who we are.
I created a lot of ideas, and he really wanted to have his team's input, and so did I. He has no idea of how the design system works, but he knows what his team is all about. And I was like, don't worry, I'll take care of that part.
It was a lot of fun. I think it was a lot of fun for myself and for my team to have somebody with as much energy and passion as she had. It gives her another chance to not only express her passion, but to show our company as a whole what she's able to do and bring. Valerie did recently get a promotion, which is awesome to see. I don't want to take any credit for that, but it's all her, and just excited for her, and again, the exposure she's getting through this.
I really look forward to getting those ideas and projects and being able to impact myself and the company, and hopefully it's a great relationship for everybody. People on managerial levels and C-suite, they're all people, and you can connect with them and feel like a real person-to-person connection, and I'm hoping that that builds up and I can keep creating those connections and knowing that I have those, I would say friendships, and throughout different teams, I think is really exciting for the future, and who knows what it'll bring.